we start at one end with the laundry room, and then we run all the way to the opposite end with bedrooms. The master's on the opposite end of the house. So we put the port in the master. It runs a straight trunk line. It comes all the way down the house. In this particular install, we mounted it on a 45-degree wall, and it had a chase naturally in it. When you go up into the attic space, there was an opening because it had a straight wall behind it. So we put this one in. We put it a little bit higher, which is a convenient height for an adult. It's in the master bedroom, so it allows for easier use as we're kind of in and out of things. We've got 4 ports in the house.
So this is the furthest away, right?
It is the furthest away.
So in the master bedroom at one end of the home.
So this room sits kind of catty corner to the room that we were just in. Ports on the wall at a regular young adult youth height. We put it into a closet. It again is on a 45-degree wall, but we cut into the shelving. You can see that we ran a chase back into the corner to get it as out of the way as possible. And
so you were happy enough actually. Just it's a darkish closet, so just use the white pipe there and run it up into that chase.
Yeah, it was an unused corner, so really tucked in there nicely. So this is the boys' bedroom. Most of them, we have 3 boys that are in this room, and they use this. This port probably gets the most use. It's mounted a little bit lower, but you can see in the install in the closet, it's tucked back into a corner in front of the shelves, and is hidden. You know, it doesn't really cause any part of the closet to not be able to be used.
So all of these are running up into a main trunk line in your attic.
It does.
Right.
A pretty straight line that we were able to run through our attic space. So pretty easily connected. Now we're coming down closer and closer to the laundry room, obviously. This room is actually right next to the laundry room.
Okay, again into a closet space on this one.
Again into closet space, just pretty identical to the last room. Typical boys' room.
So this was obviously retrofit. After you built your home, you put the laundry jet system in afterwards.
It was, and it was a obviously existing wall space that we just dropped the lines into. It's very convenient to mount them onto that side stem wall that we were commonly framed in for closet space.
Okay.
This is the laundry room. And this is an insert style unit hidden in the cabinet. So you don't see the actual unit itself, but
the pipe just drops down straight out of the attic into the insert cabinet unit. All the clothes arrive here, and I noticed we're right up against an outside wall here, so the vent on the left of the laundry jet, you can either have a diffuser, but you've done something differently here. What have you done?
Yeah, this is ported outside, so all of that exhaust air is just shooting outside the house.
So it's a lot quieter than, I mean, there's not a lot of people usually in the laundry room at the same time, but that quietness that you get in here that I've heard is because it's obviously vented straight outside.
It does. It keeps it quiet. Works the same, but it keeps it quieter.
So we're up in the attic now with Drew, and I can see obviously a lot of the different equipment and piping and conduit, etc. through the attic, but I can see the laundry jet pipe going through there. How difficult or easy was that to put together as a retrofit?
Yeah, so it took 2 of us about a day to do the install. This was a fairly convenient install. We had to drop down low to get into that laundry room space because it was kind of up against the roof line. The rest of it we ran kind of inside the ridge line, and we were able to hang it and run it pretty straight down to that back bedroom that we started in.
Okay, so you keep it pretty level, as few bends as possible, just one at the end there, and that's straight down into the laundry room, is it there?
Yeah, yeah.
And then the Ys that connect the different drops we can't really see from here, but were they easy enough to install?
Easy enough to install. You always transition as soft as you can into your turns. So, but yeah, just a little bit larger pipe than most people use in their lawn and gardening, but it goes together the same way.